A very good evening to you, people of India and Indians all over the world. In this special broadcast on Truth Matters, I have with me Vinod Kumar. Vinod Kumar is an exceptional young Indian who has, over the last several months, put out interesting stories via his YouTube channel exposing the anti national agenda in India and against India. A few days back, his team did a wonderful research on the anti national agenda behind the hijacking of the farmers' protest, behind the negativity that has been planned against India using the excuse of the farmers' protest. And most importantly, he's exposed through understanding minutely the players within India and the international players who have been using issues in India to fuel hate and communal discord over the last several months. His analysis of what is now being called the Greta Thunberg Toolkit is shocking, but it is not surprising because today, as a nation, we can see enemies of India supported by enemies within India to create anarchy on the streets of the national capital and other parts of India. So, before getting into any further discussion on the topic, I'd like to ask Vinod, this young Indian, who in the latest video very categorically stated that the kind of exposes that he has been doing could lead to a threat to his life. Why, Vinod? A young Indian like you, who could be doing anything else that he wanted to in India, has taken up the cause to fight for Bharat Mata. Please tell the rest of the people around the world why is it so important to you?
Yeah. Firstly, thank you so much, Saviona, for hosting me in your show. So glad to have a discussion with you. Yeah, this is a very important question and a very deep concern that these media houses, these people that I have exposed in the Greta Toolkit video, they are a big threat to the country. But now they are coming and saying I'm threatening them. That's the low level they can go. What I have posted is just a chronological and a very factual analysis of who all is linked in the group of anti-nationals. So why these names are there in the toolkit, which is clearly instigating farmers' protest. And now these people are coming back and saying, because I used the word hang them and all as a threat, and they got the video deleted. See, they got the video deleted only because they know very well that they got caught. They got so scared about the fact that they are picking up things like this is harassing and bullying. But did they pick at least one wrong point that I presented? They cannot. They got pissed off and they got scared. Actually, the video went viral after they got deleted.
So, what led you to conduct this detailed investigation behind the international hand fueling the farmer protest? Something could have been a trigger. What was that trigger?
See, whatever is happening in the name of farmers' protest, all the protesters, they have a very less concern about the farmers. See, Modi is the very right person to act on it, and the government is anyway acting on it. These people, you tell me, what the hell does Rihanna know about farmers? She is coming and protesting. All the members in the toolkit, what do they know about farming? This is how the riots are happening. And when we post a video about this is one question. When we post a video about this, YouTube deleting it, it's so evident that they are hiding something. They want to hide themselves. How long? The message is going viral now. after you deleted it. And I'm going to do one more video on it in a very classical tone, not in a bullying and harassing the way they mean it, as if the YouTube doesn't have any bullying and harassing stuff. There are a hell lot of abusive videos in YouTube, and when I questioned the whole ecosystem who is going against the country, who is doing conspiracy against India, they deleted it. Coming to the farm bill, Modi government is already doing good. You better know it. There is nothing to go against it. There is nothing to question them. They are already doing good. Modi as a person, he cannot have anything against the country. He cannot have anything especially to harm the farmers. I am tired of repeating the point. They are doing farmers' protests just like they did with CAA, Delhi riots, Bengaluru riots. The same thing. Going against the country, whatever the bill Modi passes, they will go against it. Farmers' protest is nothing about doing good for the farmers, it's only about destroying the country, destroying the democratic values, destroying the government. Their target is government. We have put out chronologically and factually every single data, every single connection, how it is connected to George Soros. We put it out in the social media. Now they got so pissed off that they have to delete the video. And these idiots talk about freedom of speech. Yeah.
Your expose details links that corroborate with the Greta Thunberg toolkit.
Yeah.
Accidentally leaked out.
Yeah.
Could you explain those links to the Goa Chronicle viewers and the people of India, which were really what you explained in your video?
Yes.
So if you can explain that again, the people of India and the Indians around the world would love to know and need to know
Yes.
what is behind this entire agenda.
Yeah. The liberals might have thought Greta is an intelligent girl. We can put forth her and play all the drama outside. But she's so dumb. She leaked the toolkit. So then everything happened. When we looked into it, this guy has spent some 4 days and nights of investigation, linking everything, tracking down all the Twitter links that Annalisa Mireles tweet, going about, clicking everything and note down the time. We prepared the entire timeline. My goodness, it's all linked so perfectly, and it's very easy. Even a kid with low IQ can clearly see that they received it well before, months back, and then they started going against it. Their preparation, their strategy, everything is very clear. All that is needed is just an investigation. I don't know what BJP, IT cell and the investigation bureau is looking into it, but we clearly are very deeply into it. I couldn't sleep. The kind of strategies that they have, the toolkit is circulating 2 days before with everybody. We got you have seen the names: Dhruv Rathi, Barkadat, Zubair, Alt News, News Laundry, News Click, The Print. The whole list of people who are in the Digipub are doing it. Why are you doing it? When we question it in a strong language, you bloody, instead of answering, you deleted the video. What does this mean? The Saket Gokhale is going about threatening in Twitter. I'm telling him, see, if he goes for 50 crores of defamation suit, I will get double. You idiot, you are the one, you bloody don't have an answer. You are so pissed off that you have deleted the video. Where is your answer for my question? Why your name is there in the Greta toolkit, which is instigating farmers' protests? Greta Thunberg toolkit is an anti-national force. We're going to do much more into it. The other videos are going to be more dangerous. We have looked into the activities of what this print and wire, all these Twitter threads that they're doing. You know what? They're again and again deleting the tweets. There was an article which he posted against this toolkit video. Yesterday night he deleted it. We have recorded it. We'll again post one more video on it.
Your expose implies that popular and verified handles on social media, like Barkadat, Dhruv Rathi, Faye D'Souza, are engaged in the spread of misinformation and falsehood against the sovereignty of India with the intent to cause harm and communal discord. What are your views on that? That's exactly what your video is saying. Why have you arrived at this conclusion? After all, they are verified handles. They are renowned journalists, some of them.
See, there is a strategy that this liberals and this left ecosystem is using, which I don't want to reveal it. These idiots think that nobody knows this strategy, but we have tracked this down. The whole planning that they're doing to destroy the nation. For years, they spent 70, 80 years of planning, and India has been very tough for them. They have succeeded in other countries, but here it's really tough. The only mistake they did is they thought Hindus are dumb. This Sanatana Dharma, the spiritual people, is a dumb lot. We can easily take a ride on them. They don't know how strong we are. You have no answer. You're still doing these cheap things of deleting the videos.
So primarily in your video, you talk about DigiPub. Now, DigiPub is the Association of Digital Online News Portals, right? Now, you would expect a news portal to have a certain amount of integrity and credibility,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
However, the news portals that you named, like Scoopwhoop, NewsClick, Alt News, all these news portals that you have named, that form a part of DigiPub, which is what you brought out,
Yes.
are you saying very categorically that they are working in tandem
Yes.
with the likes of Open Society, a George Soros funded organization, to create an anti-India propaganda and an anti-Modi propaganda? Is that where what your studies have revealed?
Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. This is what we are saying in every video. And these people, they can defend. They can defend with facts. They can defend with narratives. But what are the facts? If you look at the source of reference that they're quoting, it's Wikipedia. Where is it again linked to? George Soros, funded by leftists. All the anti-nationals is a part of it. So we have proved it in our video. Viewers can go to String channel and look at all the expose that we have done on Wikipedia. The people in the mass of blue ticks, influencers in Twitter, the people who are prevailing as Padma Shris and Padma Bhushans, award-winning writers, award-winning poets, award-winning journalists, you better know whether they are working for the nation or against the nation. See, when it is linked with George Soros, I confirm that they are against the nation. We have left a clue kind of a thing in the video where we said the king is different. You should knock the king down. First knock the king down if you want your country to be safe. You know what we mean? George Soros.
But one of the highlights of your video, which has now been taken down by YouTube,
Yeah.
talks about Open Society Foundation,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Now, you and I both know that Open Society Foundation has been strongly and ably funded by
Yes.
George Soros,
Very true.
right? Now, this is very important because I think I'll share this with you because we have a Stanford case study from the Stanford University done way back in 1993. And it is very important for our viewers also to understand. Let me read out to you what that study says, okay? A gist of it.
Yeah.
In an article that came out in the Business Week, which was a part of this study material, it is written, George Soros paints the picture of an investor whose manipulation of the press is matched only in his ability to manipulate his financial empire. This is in 1993.
Yeah.
This is a Stanford case study,
Yes.
Stanford University case study, based on an article done by Business Week on August 23rd, 1993.
Yeah.
It further goes on to say
Yeah.
Soros's greatest gains, however, have been destabilizing currencies on the global market. Okay?
Yeah.
Time and again, when a nation is in monetary crisis, Soros is there to give the currency the last nudge
Yeah.
and then profit as it plummets, which is what I have been saying for the last 1 year.
Yeah.
He is an economic terrorist and an agent of chaos. Okay? Now, let me give our viewers another further information.
Yeah.
The most famous attack, besides the Asian currencies in 1997 the peso in 1994, the most famous attack where George Soros came into global recognition and global fear was the Black Wednesday of 1992,
Yeah.
where he directly attacked the British pound.
Yes.
And the British government was majorly upset with him.
Mm.
But that is the financial
Mm.
crime of George Soros.
Yeah.
But that's not all. Let me take you a step further.
Mm.
On August 2016,
Mm.
a group of hackers who call themselves the DC Leaks,
Yeah.
DC Leaks, they hacked into Soros's files and released them
Mm.
in the open space.
Yeah.
Here is what those files said. Perhaps the most notorious of the disclosures concerned Soros's Open Society Foundation.
Absolutely. Yes.
Underneath its lofty rhetoric, the organization was clearly devoted to eradication of national sovereignty.
Yeah.
Uh, That's Soros's game. The
Yeah.
Open Society works to eradication of national sovereignty.
Yeah.
So one of the Open Society papers
Mm.
stated on the Syrian refugee crisis. Now, this is very important. See what they're doing there.
Yeah.
According to this hacking and the document that came out, it states Open Society should shape conversations about rethinking migration governance,
Mm.
which means people to flood Europe and the US with evacuees, among them some probable terrorists, make the old borders and institutions irrelevant, and in
Yeah.
the process create a world liberated from restraints of constitutionalism,
Yeah.
American exceptionalism, free market capitalism, and all other absolutism. That is
Yeah.
a document of Open Society paper
Yes.
that the hackers brought out.
Yeah.
Okay. Then WikiLeaks did another expose on them on how they worked with journalists
Mm.
in Ukraine, the same Open Society you're referring to,
Yes.
which is why I'm bringing it back to your Greta Thunberg toolkit expose.
Yes.
What you have said, Vinod,
Yeah.
is absolutely correct because you are identifying a trend that has already been done in Ukraine, already been done in the US,
Yes.
right? Now, if you go to his most famous recent experiences was the Black Lives Matter protest
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
US.
Yeah.
That too was completely funded by George Soros,
Of course.
right?
He is an
So,
influencer everywhere, wherever the right happens. If it is hugely funded, it's George Soros. Taken for granted.
the Open Society Foundation really's main focus, as per that hacking document that was released,
Yeah.
is predominantly to
Mm.
destabilize national sovereignty, which
Correct.
again means to destabilize democracies.
Yes.
And that is why your expose provides the same mapping that was done internationally as well, and which is why we have to take it very seriously.
Mm.
It cannot be let go. Now,
Yeah.
what I want to understand from you is in all that data that you brought out that led to Open Society, in your investigation, how deep is the link directly to the farmers' protest, number one?
Yeah.
And number two, you must remember
Mm.
at the Davos
Yeah.
in 2020,
Okay.
George Soros made a statement that was related to the decision of the Indian government against the abrogation of Article 370, where he
Yes.
very clearly
Yeah.
insinuates and puts out a message
Yeah.
that the Indian government and Narendra Modi is working against the interests of the Muslim community
Yes.
and in favor of the Hindu community, which is an absolute lie.
Absolutely.
Which is why,
Mm.
after that, if you notice, you would have had issues growing, whether it was the Shaheen Bagh protest and now the farmers' protest, which has got international attention.
Yeah.
A comedian like Trevor Noah
Yeah.
about it. Rihanna that doesn't know farming from farming.
Yeah.
Maybe she heard about it, talks about it.
Mm.
And Greta Thunberg, who we should be very thankful to,
Really?
comes into the battle.
Yeah.
You know,
Mm.
I think what you need to tell the people of India, Vinod, is
Mm.
in your investigation. I have
Yeah.
told you what investigation the world has done
Yeah.
to show that George Soros is an economic terrorist. You
Mm.
need to tell the people of India what
Yeah.
you have found that links George Soros's organization, Open Society, directly
Mm.
to any of them on the
Yeah.
Greta Thunberg toolkit. Because if it is, then
Mm.
it for the Indian government it is a serious issue.
Yes. Yes. That's what this exposing national security concern. That's what we repeatedly said in the video, and they have seriously messed it up. We are trying to get it back, file some legal suit on YouTube also. We have talked to LRPF and all. We are doing it. What you have said is absolutely true about what George Soros is doing and the whole nexus behind it. Everybody, the news, the print, whatever the newspapers, which we have been talking about in all the videos, we are directly linking it to George Soros.
So, so essentially, the next question is a very serious question.
Yeah.
You feel that there is a threat to your life.
Yes.
Why do you feel there is a threat to your life?
See, what we have is a bunch of comedians and goons. Barkadat, Alt News, Zubair, Dhruvrati, this Kunal Khan, all this bunch of comedians are backed by goons. And we have seen what Maharashtra police has done to Arnab. And what I have exposed is a link of all nexus. If you pick even one thing, the whole population of left ecosystem will come out. Everybody will be in trouble in one day. This one video itself is going, after deleting the video, it just gone more viral. Everybody wants to watch it. What has happened in the greater toolkit, and that's why, for this to collapse, I have to clearly say in the video that if at all I die, these are the people who will be responsible for it.
Correct. I understand that.
Yeah.
What I also want to understand is uh, in the investigations that you have got and the points that you have made,
Mm.
will you be looking at taking all this information to the government
I
to
have
help
sent.
them
Yeah.
further?
It's reached. It's
You
already
have.
reached. Yeah. We got some
So
confidential.
you have sent the research that you have done to
Yes.
government authorities. Have a
Yes.
look at it.
Yes.
Okay.
And we have hopes on ED and NIA that they will definitely look into it. And we can see this fear happening in this people when we see the articles being deleted even after this, because it is so factually correct. If they want to do anything, they have to come with facts, and they will get caught.
Correct.
We are
Correct.
clearly seeing this fear, and we are happy about what all is happening, except about the security. Everything is what all is happening is too good.
You know, Vinod, I'll give you a little bit of my own experience, and because
So
you're young, and
yeah,
because I personally believe you're a very brave young Indian.
so
Cowards
yeah,
do not threaten. Number one, if at all, they will make some noise.
yeah,
You have the prayers of
mm,
all of India with you.
yeah,
It's the same prayers I have as well. You
yeah,
know, the more you keep searching ahead, the more you will be attacked, but the more you will be protected. This is my personal experience, right?
wow, wow,
So do not fear.
yeah,
Do not fear because the hand of Bharat Mata is upon us,
yeah,
nationalists,
wonderful.
whose only intent
Yeah,
is to bring out the truth. You have nothing to gain, I have nothing to gain. We are
yeah,
just seeing what is plain and simple to our reasonable minds and analyzing it by our reasonable minds.
yes,
Unfortunately, it is the
mm,
truth,
yes,
and the truth matters to us,
yes,
but the truth might be very bitter
yeah,
for the enemies that are within India
mm,
and the enemies that are outside of India.
yeah,
And that is why For us Indians, for us nationalists,
Mm.
it is always going to be truth matters.
Correct.
That's what you and I are doing.
That's it.
One of the most beautiful things about facts, and I'm
Mm.
saying this from experience because that's how we have grown. You know,
Yeah.
we are not rhetoric. We're not loud. If you notice how we
Yeah,
write
yeah.
and we talk as well, right?
Yeah.
We just put the facts out with our view to the facts. That this is the facts. Okay.
Mm.
Greta Thunberg mentioned Zubair, mentioned
Yeah.
Barka Dutt, mentioned Faye D'Souza.
Mm.
Now, why would they be a part of this toolkit if they are not a part of an agenda?
That's it.
Simple question,
That's it.
right? I think this is where it should be, because what will happen?
Mm.
I've realized this because initially when I, and this is not something we're doing for a record, but off the record, when I initially started, I was very robust.
Mm.
These guys need to be punished and all those
Yeah.
kinds of things.
Yeah.
And then I realized that the ecosystem
Mm.
finds it very difficult to wriggle out of facts. Okay, because you're not condemning them.
Yeah.
I'm saying my question to Faye D'Souza,
Mm.
to Barka Dutt,
Mm.
to Dhruv Rathi,
Mm.
to Zubair, who I don't even know who he is. He must be some blue tick clown.
Mm.
Is what is your name doing
Mm.
on a Greta Thunberg toolkit,
That's it.
which is talking about protesting and fueling protests on
That's it.
social media? That is the only question I have.
That's it.
Now, we can say that they have nothing to do with it.
Mm.
They can say that. But why do they attack you then?
Yeah.
You had a view, you said your view.
That's it.
They can deny their
Yeah.
connection to the entire thing, saying that, in fact, why have they not gone and sued Greta Thunberg? Is what I'm asking.
Exactly. Yeah.
They should have sued her because,
That's it.
I mean, Barka Dutt is one of the most prominent journalists in India.
Yeah.
I mean, he interviewed Burhan Wani and made him a saint
Yeah.
when he was actually a devil.
Yeah.
It was Barka Dutt who was reporting
Yeah.
outside of Taj during the bomb blast,
Yeah.
and a lot of information had gone out. I mean, she's a very strong journalist. She takes
Yeah.
India international.
Yes.
So much so that even the terrorists view her videos.
Yeah.
That is how powerful Barka Dutt is, right?
Yeah.
Same with Faye D'Souza.
Yeah.
Faye D'Souza will raise issues on all crimes
Yes.
and all atrocities that happen to the minorities,
Mm.
but will raise no voice when crimes and atrocities happen
In India.
to people who come from India and who are a part of, who are Hindus and the majority population.
Yes.
So this bias and this division that exists,
Yeah.
I think, needs to be exposed. All I want out of the video, and I'll say it so that we can pick it up.
Yeah.
My question to Barka Dutt,
Mm.
my question to Faye D'Souza
Mm.
is, what is your name doing on Greta Thunberg toolkit leak?
That's the question. Yeah.
That is the only question I have to these journalists. As
Yes.
far as the social media activists are concerned,
Yes.
who have blue verified ticks by Twitter, who are known to doing fact checking, who are known to doing videos,
Yeah.
I personally have no value to you, so I don't even want to ask you a question. That's
Yeah. That's all.
right. Thank you so much, Vinod, for being the brave soul that you are.
Thank you. Thank you.
The people of India is with you, and they would continue to be with you.
Yes.
And you have our blessings. You have Bharat Mata's hand on you.
Yeah.
Nothing will happen. God bless you, my friend.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks to all the support that people are showering upon me.